Okay, so let's get into it. Today we are doing a deep dive into something that's kind of a hidden hero for your house, foundation drainage services.
It sounds technical, but it's really your home's lifeline. We're pulling our insights from the experts over at Pacific Blue Mechanical and Plumbing. They've got, 500 Google reviews?
That's right. They serve all over British Columbia, Abbotsford, Langley, Vancouver. Our mission today is to just make this whole topic simple.
Yeah, let's break it down.
So what's the actual threat? How does water get to the foundation? It's not always some big dramatic flood.
No, not at all. I mean, think about it in really simple terms. You get a heavy rain, or maybe your gutters are just clogged and dumping all that water from the roof in one spot.
Right next to the house.
Exactly. That water soaks the ground and the soil gets heavy and pushes against your foundation walls. It's just immense pressure.
And I read on their site that this is a huge deal for specific areas.
Oh, absolutely. This is where it gets really local. For a place like Abbotsford or even parts of Surrey, they often have naturally high water tables.
What does that mean exactly, a high water table?
Think of the ground like a big sponge. In those areas, the sponge is already pretty full of water. So it doesn't take much rain to completely saturate it. That water has nowhere to go but up and sideways, right against your foundation. It makes good drainage, essential, not just the nice to have.
Okay, so what's the big payoff then? Why go through the trouble of investing in these underground systems?
Well, the benefits are huge, and they're not just financial. The biggest one is it stops that constant moisture buildup in your basement or crawl space.
Which means no mold, no mildew.
Exactly. And that has a direct impact on the air you're breathing inside your own home. It's a health benefit, really.
It's so easy to just think about the cost, but cleaner air is a massive return on investment, and it helps the house itself last longer.
100%. You're extending the lifespan of the foundation.
Yeah.
So yeah, that upfront cost increases your property value and helps you avoid those huge, shocking repair bills down the road.
Right, the ones that come out of nowhere.
Those are the worst.
Okay, so let's talk solutions. Pacific Blue Mechanical highlights two big ones. First up, the French drain. How does that actually work?
It's so clever because it's so simple. It's basically just a trench that's filled with gravel, and inside is a perforated pipe.
Perforated, so it has holes in it?
Yep, holes all along it. The pipe collects all the water from the soggy soil, and then, this is the important part, it uses gravity to channel it away from your house.
How far away?
You want it at least 10 feet away. You have to get that water away from the foundation.
Okay, and then there's the sump pump. This feels a bit more, active.
It is. And it's so important for those high water table places like Abbotsford. The sump pump sits in a little pit at the lowest point of your basement.
Gotcha.
It just collects any water that seeps in. And when the water level gets high enough, a float switch kicks the pump on and it just shoots the water out and away from the house. Automatically.
It's the final line of defense. So how would you, the listener, know if your system is failing? Or if you even need one? What are the warning signs?
Yeah, good question. There are some really clear signs. First, just go look at your foundation walls. Do you see any cracks?
Any kind of crack.
Any new crack, horizontal or vertical, is a sign of stress. Another weird one is if your doors or windows suddenly start to stick.
Really? Why is that?
It means the house frame is shifting, even just a tiny bit from the pressure. And then, of course, the obvious one is water. If you see it pooling around your house after it rains, that's a big red flag.
Or just that damp feeling in the basement.
That musty smell, yeah. You've got a problem.
So even the best systems need a little care. The experts really stress that maintenance is key.
It is, but it's simple stuff. The two big things anyone can do. First, clean your gutters regularly.
Because clogged gutters defeat the whole purpose.
They just dump all the water right where you don't want it. And second, test your sump pump. Just pour a bucket of water into the pit and make sure it turns on.
That's a great tip.
At the end of the day, investing in good drainage is now. It's just one of the smartest things you can do for your home's long-term health and its value.
Okay, so here's a final thought to leave you with. Everything we've talked about, French drains, surface water, it all relies on one simple, natural force, gravity. So take a minute this week. Go outside and just look at the dirt right next to your house. Is the land sloping away from your foundation, or is it actually flat, or worse, sloping towards it? That tiny slope is either your foundation's best friend or its worst enemy.